viewers, this is me, Bhumi Jaiswal, and I'm really excited to share my view on the topic, does boy versus girl matter? My view on this topic is that it should not matter to anyone, whether it is society as a whole or a person as an individual. We have everything in common. Every person on this earth has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 hands, 2 legs, and even the color of the blood is same. The only difference among the people on this earth, according to this society, is a boy and a girl. There are major issues regarding the security and safety of a girl. But the most important or the most painful problem for a girl in this generation is what will the society speak about them. This negative thought of a girl turns to be correct when the society actually does that. Like if a girl is wearing a dress out of her comfort, then people remind us about our history. In our past, that is in our history, the position of the women in the early Vedic civilization was equal to that of men. And people talk about our history. But, on contrary to that, if a boy wears a dress out of his comfort, then people will regard it as his comfort only. We talk about empowering a woman, but the truth is, women are already empowered. What they really need is a chance, equal opportunity, and equal view of this society. I would like to convey through this speech that we should not discriminate between a girl and a boy, but we should know the difference between what is right and what is wrong. Thank you.